Welcome back. Cyber attacks are a threat across a broad range of industries, and automotive repair is no exception. Today we have Rodney Gullatte Jr., certified ethical hacker and owner of Firma IT Solutions, and Adebola Shonoiki, owner of Cornerstone Automotive Repair, to tell us more. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So, Adebola, tell me, what made you decide to invest in cybersecurity for your business?
So technology has become really a core piece of our business. We do a lot more than just wrench on cars now, and every single one of my employees has their own computer. Every one of those computers is a potential gateway into our network, into our secure data, and into our customers' data. So knowing that there's people out there looking to get that data, we know that we've got to do something better than just, a password on your computer to make sure that's safe, and that's just not something we can do in-house.
Definitely. Now, Rodney, what types of data do auto repair shops have that pose a risk to their customers?
I am so glad you asked that question. So they've got first names, last names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, VIN numbers, license plates. It's pretty much enough information that if somebody nefarious got a hold of it, it's a good start for an identity theft campaign, and you don't want that. So it's definitely glad that you decided to protect that information. Thanks for doing that for your customers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Definitely. A lot of good information, some that people probably don't even think about. Now, Adebola, what message do you send to other auto repair shops so that they can follow the excellent example that you have set for securing client data and operating a secure business?
Well, usually we don't think about this stuff until something happens, but imagine what happens if you do have a data breach, if somebody gets into your business credit card information, into your business bank accounts, and you think about how disruptive that could be, even for just 2 or 3 days. That can shut you down, basically. And if you don't have a plan beforehand, it's going to be a nightmare for you to recover that data and re-secure that system. Also, in our industry, we have a trust gap with our customers. It's unfortunate, but it's something that we have to deal with, and showing our customers that we're willing to go that extra mile, go above and beyond to make sure that we are securing their data, just is another level of that trust that can help us build relationships.
And Rodney, with all the businesses you encounter, do you see auto shops at the forefront of investing in managed IT and cybersecurity? I
sure don't. I've been out to see quite a few of these shops, and Cornerstone Automotive Repair is definitely at the forefront. They're one of the very few. I've been to some where these shops want to pay the cheapest amount possible for these services. And I just want to remind everybody who's listening to this, managed IT and cybersecurity is not a commodity. You're not buying toilet paper. It's very important that you have somebody worthy and well qualified and certified and accredited with like the BBB or something like that, and making sure that they're doing social impact work. Like, there's a lot to go into finding the right company to do this. Don't take the cheap way out, and it's your clients that suffer if they don't make the right investment in this.
Rodney, I want to ask real quick, why do you think that this is something that isn't at the forefront of of a lot of people's minds? Why is this something that might be an afterthought after something might happen?
So what's hard about it is hard to warn people and make them aware of something that they can't see. It's a threat that they can't see. And for a lot of people, until they get breached, that's when they learn their lesson. So I'm out here with the SBDC, I'm out here with the Better Business Bureau, I'm out here with the Business Bureau, and all these other people with you on Fox and Living Local to try to educate people and help them make better decisions before it's a problem. My best clients are the ones that listen beforehand, like Bola. But then there's also clients that call me after they've been hacked, and they're pretty quick to sign up for services. But I want to try to avoid that and help them before it's an issue. So just listen to me, listen to the warnings, so we can help you before it's a problem.
Good advice. Now, Bola, how can people get in touch with you for their auto repair needs?
Well, you can find us on the web at cornerstoneauto.repair. Call us at 597-1516, and we are right down the street from the studio, 3747 East St. Vrain Street.
Perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for being here. Both shared a lot of great information for our viewers to hear.
Thanks.
And for more information, just go to firmaitss.com.